very difficult, but because it's Singham and there was a huge support of police and from the Home Minister. So like, we shot in places where shootings are not allowed or nobody dare to shoot. You know, we shot at Makhdum Shah Baba Dargah, which is in Mahim. We shot at Gateway of India, which has been shut down for a long time now. And Cotton Green, Ray Road, a lot of realistic locations where people don't shoot or they don't allow to shoot. We have shot there. So I think that's also a uniqueness for the film, I would say. Yes, obviously there's a bit of sentiment which the cops have for Singham, so they were a bit lenient with us. Yeah, it was not like you can shoot anywhere. Chalo kahin bhi karo. Obviously you can't do that in Mumbai. It is difficult. There's a huge protocol and we have to follow the lines.
Was there any time limit or something?
There were time limits. Yeah, you have to shoot in a set given time. You know, because it's a high security zone now. Right. We didn't have choices, I would say. And then there were 2-3 options in my mind, and then it was not my idea, it was one of my AD's idea, okay, why not Amol Gupta? And I was like, yeah, why not him? I saw him in Kamina and really loved his work. And there's a uniqueness, he's not done too many films, you know, in negative character. So I thought it would be nicer to take Amol as the main villain of the film. When the audience see the shot, it should look like, oh, how did they do it? It doesn't mean that you have to put the camera and the technicians in danger. It's how you cheat, how you shoot, how you keep your angles, how you take safety. For that you need a lot of training, in fact, you know. And now it's a bit easier, keeping special effects in mind, keeping cables in mind. It becomes easier to do action sequences. We have a rule now, like if he meets with an accident, for how many months? Like even we had an accident a year ago. So if a stuntman is at home for a year, he'll be paid every day. 20 days of per day he will get, till the time he doesn't recover.
You've made that sort of change?
We have a rule. That association has a rule now.
Last time sir, Ajay Atul the. Is बार संगीत कौन?
Jeet Ganguly. We have not decided on the title track yet. You know, okay, whether we should do it or not.
Do you have any options as to?
No, we have already recorded. Yeah, we have that. But I'm just completing the film. As you know, it's releasing on 15th of August.
When you started the film, did you think it
10th
was
March.
difficult to meet the 15th August deadline?
I don't think that way, yaar. If you think negative, for hoga nahi. First, I look at the silver lining. Like when we started Singham 1, we started on 4th March and the film was released on 22nd July. This is 15th August, so I'm taking it as like I'm getting 3 weeks more. See, what happens with me is like I pre-plan my film. Like what I'll be doing with Shah Rukh, we have already written the film. So when I was working for Chennai Express, this film was already written. Okay, when we'll start, when we'll release, and the subject was ready. So for me, it's not like I have the same team and we keep on working. It's not like I'll take a rest. Then after 4 years, I'll come back and make a film. मैंने Highway देखी, मैंने Jai Ho देखी. हाँ, Highway देखी, last Highway.
So what do you think of Highway?
Highway I liked him. Imtiaz is my friend, so I like his film. I'm emotionally connected to him. So, to be very honest.
Now the Singham will be there, the dialogue will be there.
It was fucked. It was not fun. I make family films. I have women and children audience. I will never do this shit ever in my life, putting fuck. You will never see my heroine kissing. You will never see my heroine in a bikini. You will never see vulgarity in my film. The reason for it is I have my kids and family audience is my audience. People think it's mass, but actually it is kids. The cars which I blow, it's for the kids.
Dialogue is there?
Fuck is there, but it is fuck. It was never fuck. I make huge films. My budget's 100 crore and above of making film. Why will I promote a film just for a fuck word? I will never do that in my life. People who are making 4-5 crore types of mamla, they'll do that.
It was not there.
Nah, but I will never do that, all those shit. Because I have my audience is family, so I don't want to do that. We're working a film with Shah Rukh.
Is it called Punjab Express?
नहीं यार, पंजाब एक्सप्रेस क्यों बनाना है?
That is what I heard.
नहीं यार, पागल है क्या?
Who's the leading lady in the film? Is it Katrina?
No यार, हाँ वो भी एक न्यूज़ चल रहा है ना कतरीना का कि शाहरुख एंड कतरीना. मेरे को मिलता नहीं, मैं तो रोटरी क्लब भी लेने चले जाऊँ. मैं अवार्ड फंक्शन में स्क्रीन में नहीं जाता क्योंकि अवार्ड नहीं देते. मैं तो बेशरम हूँ. अवार्ड देंगे तो सूट बनाओ, 50-60 हज़ार का सूट, धक्के खाते हुए जाओ, फिर टेलीविजन में भी आओ फ्री में. मेरे को खतरों के खिलाड़ी का पैसा मिलता है कॉमेडी से, तो मेरे को अवार्ड तो चाहिए ना, वरना मैं क्यों जाऊंगा.
लेकिन आप you won the hamper at Coffee with Karan. You literally fought.
मैं गया उसके लिए था, वरना मैं क्यों जाऊँ उसके शो में. मेरा खतरों के खिलाड़ी चलता है. मैं ऑनेस्टली बोल रहा हूँ. अवार्ड मिला, मेरे को रोटरी क्लब भी मिलेगा, मैं जाऊंगा.
शर्मा के लिए फिल्म आप कब करेंगे?
अरे वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट आल्सो. सलमान? नहीं सलमान अभी लिख रहा हूँ यार. अगर होगा तो बोलने में शर्म क्या है.
Do you have the 200 crore pressure that because
नहीं होएगा यार. Rarely it happens. अभी ये प्रेशर लेंगे सिंघम रिटर्न्स भी 200-250 करोड़ होगी तो then I'll die. You can't work with that pressure.